Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce very interesting topic of whole number. As we have done about closure property and commutative property. Now third property of whole number is distributive property. What is distributive property? Actually it helps to do the calculation in easy way. As you can see here, I have 9 blocks this side. 9 rows are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And how many columns I have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many total blocks I have? I have 9 multiplied by 8 means I have 72 blocks. 9 8s are 72. So no need to count like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and again 9. I know how many total blocks I have. 9 8s are 72 because I have 9 rows and 8 columns. But I am doing it in more simpler way. Suppose I want to cut it into two parts. Suppose I am cutting it at 5. So I have two pieces. I have 3 rows here of 9s. In one row I have 9 blocks. In one row I have 9 blocks and how many rows are here? 3. So I am writing it as 9 multiplied by 3 means I have 27 blocks here. Similarly, in this portion, count the number of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 rows and 9 columns. As you can see here, from 1 to 9 I have written. So how many blocks are there? 5 9s are 45. 5 9s is 45. 9 3s is 27. So when you were doing it collectively, when it was a full piece without cutting, it was 9 8s. 9 8s was 72. Earlier I had 72 blocks. When I have cut it into two portions of 5 into 9 and 9 into 3 and again I am going to join it, again I will get back 72. As you can see here, 45 plus 27 will give you 72. So what is it? It is distributive property. Actually what I am doing here, I am multiplying 9 with 8. It is very easy because we know the table of 9 as 9 8s are 72. But I have done like this, 9 multiplied by. I have broken 8 as 5 plus 3. As in this I have cut it into 5 rows and in this I have 3 rows. So 5 and 3, I have 2 rows here. So distributive property in this says this 9 will go with both the numbers. 9 multiplied by 5, plus sign in between, you will put plus sign. 9 will go with 3. So 9 is distributing. We are giving 9 to both the numbers inside the bracket. I have broken 8 into two parts and 9 is outside. I will multiply 9 with both the numbers and I have plus sign in between. So I am putting plus sign in both the numbers. Now solve these. 9 5s is 45 and 9 3s is 27. As we know, 45 plus 27 will give you 72 and 9 8s is 72. You are thinking, ma'am, we know that 9 8s are 72. Why will we do like this by distributive property? Actually, this distributive property help us to solve the numbers having bigger number. Suppose I have bigger number like 256 multiplied by 102. So no need to do lengthy calculation. No need to multiply like this. You earlier classes in class 5 you have done like this. First you will multiply by 2, then by 0, then by 1. It was very lengthy calculation. I am not doing lengthy calculation. So for this I have to use distributive property. I will break 102 as 100 plus 2. Now distributive property says this number will go with both the numbers inside. It would be 256 multiplied by 100 plus 256 multiplied by 2. This number is going with both the numbers. Now 256 ones are 256, and how many zeros are there at the end? 2. So I will put 2 zeros at the back, plus 256 twos are. I think you can do this multiplication directly. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10 plus 1. 11, 2 2s are 4 plus 1. It would be 512. Just make the sum of both and you will get the product of both the numbers. So it would be 26,112. When you will do the product in bigger manner, in lengthy manner, you will get the same answer. But in distributive property, you can do it very easily.